There is a moment in every connection where doing nothing becomes the most powerful move you can make. Not texting, not reacting, not explaining, just silence. And for most men, this feels wrong, because everything inside you tells you to act, to fix the situation, to send a message, to regain control. But here is the truth. Most men never understand. The moment you feel the urge to act is often the moment you should not. Because attraction is not built through constant presence. It is built through emotional contrast. And when your attention is always there, always predictable, always available, it loses its impact. She stops thinking about you. She stops wondering about you. She stops feeling that emotional tension. But the moment you go silent, something shifts, not outside, inside her mind. Because silence creates space, and in that space, the brain starts working. She begins noticing the absence. She begins questioning the change. She begins replaying moments she once ignored. But this only happens under one condition. Your silence must come from control, not from need, because many men go silent, but remain emotionally attached. They wait, they check, they hope. And that kind of silence has no power. In this video, we are going to break down what really happens inside her mind when you go silent, why it can create emotional tension she cannot ignore, and how to use silence in a way that shifts the entire dynamic without saying a word. This is not about manipulation. It is about mastery. Because the moment you stop speaking is the moment she starts thinking. And the first shift that happens in her mind is something most men completely overlook. Before we start, a quick reminder. The real transformation doesn't happen on YouTube. It happens inside the community. If these videos have opened your eyes, what's inside will rebuild your mindset completely. It's not just a course. It's a brotherhood. A private space where men master attraction, emotional control, and the psychology of power. You don't join for a month. You join for life. Every future course, book, and lesson is yours forever. No subscriptions, no limits. Just one decision that changes your direction. If you're serious about growth, discipline, and purpose, click the link below. Join the community. Enroll once. Grow forever. Let's dive in. Shift 1. She notices your absence more than she ever noticed your presence. The first shift happens immediately, but it is not always visible on the surface. She notices your absence. Before you went silent, your presence was part of her normal routine. Your messages appeared, your attention was consistent, and your energy was always there in the background. And because it was always there, it became familiar. Not exciting, not questioned, just expected. This is how the mind works. It adapts to what is constant. When something is always present, it stops standing out. It blends into the experience, becoming part of the environment instead of something that demands attention. But the moment you remove that presence, the pattern breaks, the messages stop, the attention disappears, the rhythm changes, and that change is what the mind reacts to. Psychologically, humans are wired to notice loss more than presence. What disappears becomes more visible than what was always there. So even if she does not say anything, she feels it. She may open her phone expecting to see your name. She may feel that something is missing without being able to explain it. She may become aware of the silence in a way she never noticed your attention. This is where the shift begins. Stoic philosophy reflects this through restraint. A Stoic man does not give his energy constantly. He understands that presence gains value when it is not always available. When you step back, you create contrast, and contrast creates awareness. The difference is powerful. One man stays constant and becomes invisible. The other removes his presence and becomes noticeable. And the one who becomes noticeable begins to occupy space in her mind. because attention does not follow what is always there, it follows what changes. And once she notices the absence, something deeper begins to form. Because shift number 2 explains why your silence starts creating questions she cannot ignore. Shift 2, her mind starts asking questions she can't ignore. Once she notices your absence, something deeper begins to happen inside her mind. She starts asking questions, not out loud, not directly, but internally. Before you went silent, everything felt clear. She knew how you acted. She knew your level of interest. She understood the pattern. There was nothing to figure out. But the moment you disappeared without explanation, clarity disappears with you. And the human mind does not like that. It looks for answers. It tries to complete the picture. So questions begin forming. Why did he stop? Did something change? Is he losing interest? Is he talking to someone else? These questions may seem simple, but they are powerful because every question creates attention, and attention creates emotional involvement. Psychologically, uncertainty activates the brain. When something is incomplete, the mind becomes engaged. It keeps returning to the situation, trying to understand it. This is how silence creates impact. Not by doing something, but by creating something unfinished. Stoic philosophy reflects this through controlled expression. A Stoic man does not feel the need to explain everything. He allows silence to exist when it is necessary. When you do not explain your absence, you create space. And in that space, her mind begins working. The difference is powerful. One man explains everything and removes uncertainty. The other stays silent and creates questions. And the one who creates questions becomes unforgettable. Because the mind always returns to what it does not fully understand. And once her mind begins asking questions, another shift begins. Because shift number 3 explains why she starts thinking about you more than before, even without contact. Shift 3. She starts thinking about you more than before. Once her mind begins asking questions, something deeper starts happening. You begin occupying her thoughts. Before you went silent, your presence filled the interaction. You were there through messages. You were there through attention. You were part of her daily experience. And because you were always present, there was no need for her to think about you when you were not there. You were already there. But now, everything is different. The interaction is gone. The messages stopped. The emotional presence disappeared. And that creates space. Psychologically, the mind fills empty space with thoughts. When something that was once present is removed, the brain begins revisiting it. Moments come back. Conversations replay. Feelings resurface. She may start remembering how you made her feel. She may think about things you said, things you did, or moments she did not fully appreciate at the time. This process happens naturally. You are not forcing it. You are allowing it. Stoic philosophy reflects this through detachment. A Stoic man does not try to control how others think about him. He focuses on his own path, allowing others to process him in their own way. When you stop filling the moment, you start filling the mind. The difference is powerful. Presence fills time. Absence fills thoughts. And what fills thoughts tends to stay longer. Because once she starts thinking about you more, another shift begins. Because shift number 4 explains why your value increases without you doing anything more. Shift 4, your value increases without you doing anything more. Once you begin occupying her thoughts, another powerful shift starts forming beneath the surface. Your value increases without effort. At first, this may feel counterintuitive. Most men believe value comes from doing more. More attention, more effort, more presence. But attraction does not work like that. Value is not created by how much you give. It is created by how limited your attention feels. Before you went silent, your attention was always available. She did not have to think about it. She did not have to earn it. She did not have to question it. And because of that, it felt normal. But now, everything changed. Your attention is no longer guaranteed. Your presence is no longer predictable. Your behavior is no longer clear. And psychologically, this creates scarcity. Scarcity increases importance. The brain naturally values what feels less accessible. When something becomes uncertain, it becomes more noticeable. She may begin seeing you differently. The man who once felt easy to access now feels selective. The man who once reacted now feels controlled. The man who once explained now feels grounded. Stoic philosophy reflects this through self-mastery. A Stoic man does not give his energy impulsively. He chooses where it goes. When you stop giving constant attention, your attention becomes meaningful. The difference is powerful. One man gives everything and becomes easy to access. The other becomes selective and gains value. And the one who gains value becomes harder to ignore. Because once your value increases, another emotional layer begins to form. Because shift number 5 explains why she starts feeling your absence more deeply than your presence ever felt. Shift 5. She feels your absence more deeply than she ever felt your presence. Once your value rises in her perception, something more emotional begins to take shape. She starts feeling your absence, not just noticing it, feeling it. Before you went silent, your presence was constant. Your attention showed up regularly. Your energy was part of her routine. Your interaction felt normal. And because it was normal, it did not create strong emotional impact over time. The mind adapts quickly to what is always there. But when that presence disappears, something changes. The space it once filled remains. Only now, it is empty. Psychologically, humans are more sensitive to loss than to presence. We feel what is missing more strongly than what we have. This is why silence can feel louder than words. She may not immediately say she misses you, but she will feel that something is different. The interaction feels incomplete. The emotional rhythm is gone. The connection feels unfinished. This creates a subtle but powerful emotional gap. Stoic philosophy reflects this through detachment. A Stoic man does not rely on constant interaction to maintain connection. He understands that absence can reveal value more clearly than presence. When you remove your attention, you create awareness. The difference is powerful. Presence feels normal. Absence feels meaningful. And what becomes meaningful creates emotional impact. Because once she starts feeling your absence, another shift begins. Because shift number 6 explains why she may begin trying to reconnect with you. Shift 6, she starts trying to reconnect. Once the feeling of your absence becomes real, something begins to change in her behavior. She starts trying to reconnect. Not always in a direct way, not always in an obvious way, but the intention is there. She may send a simple message that seems casual. She may react to something small. She may find a light reason to reach out without fully showing that she has been thinking about you. And this is where most men misunderstand the situation. They think she suddenly changed. But in reality, this is the result of everything that happened before. The absence, the curiosity, the thoughts, the emotional gap. All of it leads to this moment. Psychologically, when something feels incomplete, the mind seeks closure. When someone becomes uncertain, they seek clarity. Your silence created both. So now, she is trying to understand. Is he still the same? Has he really changed? Is the connection still there? And this leads to action. Stoic philosophy reflects this through discipline. A Stoic man does not react impulsively when the situation shifts again. He remains steady. When she reaches out, your behavior matters. If you return to your old patterns, everything resets. If you stay grounded, the dynamic continues shifting. The difference is powerful. One man sees her message and loses control. The other responds calmly and maintains his position. And the man who maintains his position keeps his value. Because this moment is not the end of the process, it is the test. And once this test is passed, the final shift begins. Because shift number 7 explains how the entire dynamic reverses in your favor. Shift 7. The dynamic reverses, without you saying a word. The final shift is the one most men never expect. But it is the one that changes everything. The dynamic reverses. At the beginning, you were the one investing more. You were reaching out. You were maintaining the interaction. You were trying to keep things alive. Your attention was directed toward her, and she was responding. But once you went silent in the right way, everything began to shift. You stopped chasing. You stopped reacting. You stopped making her the center of your attention. And slowly, without forcing anything, the direction of energy changed. Now she is the one thinking more. She is the one feeling the absence. She is the one taking action to reconnect. Psychologically, this happens because of imbalance. When one person becomes less available, the other begins investing more to restore balance. Not consciously, but naturally. She may start initiating conversations. She may show more interest. She may try to understand the connection again. And all of this happens without you chasing. Stoic philosophy reflects this through self-mastery. A Stoic man does not try to control others. He controls himself, and through that, the dynamic adjusts. When you stop reacting emotionally, you stop losing your position. And when you stop losing your position, you gain it. The difference is powerful. One man chases and loses control. The other steps back and gains influence. And the man who gains influence becomes the one who leads the dynamic. Because leadership in attraction is not about force. It is about stability. Silence is not about disappearing. It is about transformation. Most men think silence is a tactic, but without the right mindset, it becomes waiting. And waiting has no power. You can go silent, but still be emotionally attached. You can stop texting, but still be focused on her. You can disappear, but still be waiting for a result. And that kind of silence changes nothing. But when your silence comes from control, everything changes. You stop chasing. You stop reacting. You stop needing. And in doing so, you become grounded. Stoic philosophy teaches that power comes from within, not from controlling others, but from controlling yourself. When you master yourself, your behavior changes naturally. And when your behavior changes, the dynamic changes. Because attraction responds to stability, to presence, to control, not to need. In the end, the goal is not to make her react. The goal is to become the kind of man who does not need her reaction to feel complete. And sometimes, that is exactly what makes her feel your absence the most. Remember, knowledge means nothing without action. If you're ready to rise above emotion and lead with purpose, join the community today at the link below. Enroll once, grow forever.